Hey guys, in this video I will do some maintenance on my wife's car. I will replace the spark plugs and the engine air filter. These jobs have to be done every 60,000 kilometers according to the ISTA. Let's commence the job. Remove the cover while the engine is hot. Unclip the coil plug electrical connectors and carefully remove them. Spark plug wells are not straight. There is an 8-degree angle, so you will need a flexible ratchet extension. You will need a 10V 14mm 12 spline socket as well, since the standard socket will not fit. Here's the outer diameter. Check the last spark well with a mirror as well, whether any oil emerged into the well or not. Looks good. Blew and vacuum the wells with air gun and vacuum cleaner to prevent any debris of falling into the engine. Undo the spark plugs and remove them. Color looks good. After spark plug removed, there is some residual debris inside the wells. Let's remove that. Looks good now. Remove the rest of the plugs. Here's the comparison of old original and new OEM NGK. Let's check the thread size. It's 12mm. There are two torque options mentioned in the manual, 12 and 14mm. This eBay socket is magnetic. Don't use any lubrication or paste on the thread. The thread must be dry and clean. Now the coil. And the rest of them. Let's test the engine. It runs well. Now is the air filter. Undo the bolt, the air pipe and the sensor. Lift up the whole box. Filter is already a bit dirty. BMW filter made by Male. I will use MAN. This is where the box is seated in these guides. Install the box back. Let's hook up the diagnostics and check whether new codes appeared after the spark plug replacement. Cleaned all of the old codes. restarted the engine and checked the codes again. Looks good, no codes. Thanks for watching.